So the JLP administration seemed to be enforcing its travel ban on China in wake of the coronavirus outbreak. 19 Chinese nationals were denied entry into Jamaica on Friday night. They were quarantined and put back on a plane to China. As you know, the virus is spreading globally and at a rapid pace. Not that I want to promote panic or fear, but the virus may very well already be here in Jamaica on vacation. We just don't know. I mean, we had one suspected case, but the powers that be ensured us, John Public, that the individual does not, quote, match the case definition for the virus. Now, some Jamaicans living in China, where the virus is wreaking havoc, are demanding that the government have them evacuated and returned home. This, I believe, put the government in a moral dilemma.
You see, some of the Jamaicans who have no compassion on the heart. Government, send for the people them down in China. Send for the Jamaican them down in China. You're not going to tell me say I have no space that Jamaica can put them and treat them and observe them. Look how much bush on them, something that grow in Jamaica. Look how much bush doctor can give them herbs and something. You see, if I did uno and the family in the situation, only that time it means something to uno.
So basically, you want the government to put millions of lives at risk to accommodate a few people. Not that I'm being heartless, but should compassion outweigh good judgment and common sense? People body works differently. So we bring them back home with all the best of intentions so that we want to protect our own. And we quarantine them for 14 days, and on the 15th day, that particular person start to show symptom. How it go? Prevention, in my mind, is absolutely in this case better than an ounce a cure. Are we even equipped to handle the likes of this virus, considering the fact that we can't even manage the outbreak of the dengue? According to Foreign Affairs and Foreign Trade Minister Senator Kamina Johnson-Smith, she is saying that the Jamaica government is assessing its capacity to help.
I know you've heard about countries evacuating their nationals. I've reached out to international partners to see what assistance could be provided, if any. We, the government of Jamaica, we're assessing what's in our capacity to do for you. And third, we're also asking for your understanding that the arrangements for evacuations or transport, those have been special arrangements negotiated by countries with large, strong health systems. So we are still trying to explore what is possible. What can we do? Who can we partner with? Because we would not only have to think about how we get you out, we have to think about your care thereafter.
So what does that mean exactly, people? You know what? I'm not even going to make any assumption. Yeah, people, what do you think? I would love to know your thoughts, so please share them in the comment section down below. Thanks again for watching The Rotted Show. I am Kemar. Don't forget to like this video, share it, and most importantly, subscribe to this channel for more. And until next time, I'll see you soon.